Hello everyone, I welcome you to the exciting paper discussion titled Ethics of Gen AI, Navigating the Intersection of AI and Cybersecurity. This was presented in the European Seminar on AI for Sustainability and Climate Change held in Hamburg University of Applied Sciences, Germany. The paper is going to deal in details about the AI nuances and the modalities around security. Come, let's get started. Talking in terms of the methods incorporated as part of this research starts with the discussions around the research design, which includes the qualitative strand and the quantitative strand. Qualitative strand includes the ethical dimensional analysis, which examines privacy, fairness, and accountability using conceptual analysis, ethical framework, and existing policy documents. This informs the methodologies used in prior cybersecurity and ethics research within the supervised works. In terms of quantitative strand, AI model assessment involves empirical evaluation of adversarial attack susceptibility in AI-based cybersecurity models. Performance analysis using perpetration-based attacks, threat hunting datasets, and ensemble methods are also incorporated. More in discussion about the data collection methods, which were used mostly primary and secondary in nature for the ethical constructs. Starting with the scholarly publications, AI, ethical guidelines, cybersecurity frameworks, etc., along with the review approach undertaken in a structured way for the literature review, in addition to the expert interviews and semi-structured ones that are done with the cybersecurity professionals and following the qualitative practices similar to the digital interview structured way. When talking about the data analytical methods, ethical analysis have been followed. Quotes were derived from three ethical pillars of privacy, fairness, and accountability. Thematic clustering helps to identify the patterns in a more moral, regulatory, and social implied manner. Methodologically consistent with the qualitative analysis structures in a supervised dissertation analysis helps in an analysis like evidence-based analysis. The major limitations of the study include stimulated adversarial attacks may not fully represent real-world threat sophistication. Biases may persist despite rebalancing techniques. Limited generalizability is also possible if restricted to one or more data. Talking about the Part 1 results, adversarial attacks can be tackled or mitigated by various approaches, such as adversarial detection or identification. This approach can detect and identify the perpetrations or the modifications that are produced and generated by the adversarial attack and distinguish them from the normal or regular inputs and outputs of the AI model by using statistical and mathematical methods such as kernel density method or the local intrinsic dimensionality, which can measure the distance density and the dimensionality of the inputs or outputs respectively by using classification. Next is adversarial defense or protection. This approach can defend or protect the AI model from the perpetrations that are produced and generated by the adversarial attacks and prevent them from attacking or influencing the results of the outcomes of the model by using pre-processing and transformation techniques such as JPEG compression, image filtering, or feature sequencing, which can improve or reduce the perpetrations from the inputs or outputs. Also by using re-regulations and adversarial training methods such as L1 regularization and L2 regularization or the dropout methods, which can increase the robustness or the resilience of the AI models. Lastly, in terms of the AI response and recovery, the approach can respond or recover from the modifications that are produced by the adversarial attack and restore the correct results for the outcomes of the AI model by using correction or learning methods such as the gradient ascent, gradient descent, or Adam optimizer, which can update or improve the parameters of the AI model based on their gradients respectively, and by using retraining and reinforcement methods of learning as well. Q-learning, DQN, which are to retrain and learn the policy or the strategy of the AI model, can also be used based on the state, action, or reward, etc. Thank you for your time of listening. Do follow me for more updates on exciting topics. Yours, Rachel John Robinson.